What's going on, y'all? Back over to a brand new YouTube video. I know we haven't uploaded in 6 months. We got some new people on the channel. We got Trash Bag Colt with the old trash bag riding in the boot. We got Ethan on the bike. He's gonna be hitting some jumps today. We got old JD. Y'all know JD. But hey, we're gonna send it through some creeks, send it through some jumps. I'm excited. It's cold out here. We haven't uploaded in like, it literally feels like forever. Because dude, it's just been so cold. My four wheel's been broke. I got a broke axle down here and I rode at Deep Creek. And it literally is held on. I don't know if y'all can see. There's zip ties right there, but no more light bar.
I don't see a light.
I got halos.
No lights. But yeah, we got some different things now. Hit some jumps, wheelies. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Let's go do it, man. Oh, Yoshi! Not a Yoshi! Let's go do this. First hole, bro. We're gonna go drop it in a hole. Ethan's doing some wheelies. Oh, we made it down here to the first hole. JD's about to drop his in, but we have not been out of this hole in a minute. JD actually hit it the other day. Got stuck. I won't even hear. He was here by himself. Roll the clip. Roll the clip. Bro, dude, JD is about to send this whole hole right here. That's what that noise was, bro. He threw that jump now. See how bad the rut is right there. Alright, y'all, we made it to Clayhole. We didn't even like pick up the camera on the way here, but we're at Clayhole. Last time JD hit it, he actually hit it pretty good. I'm gonna roll the clip right now.
Come on. Real country Ethan. Trash bag Colt.
I'm hitting it too.
You gonna hit it one more time, Colt?
Yeah, I'm hitting it too.
Alright, come on, hit it. Come on, trash bag Colt. Trash bag Colt. Yeah! Yeah, boss. Thanks.
Spider hole is just like, I don't even know, bro. It used to be way worse than this.
I'll do it. How about that?
You gonna hit it? Alright, come on.
I'll do it.
Sender. Between us, trash bag Colt, he's getting stuck, dog.
He's definitely getting
He's getting stuck.
I already walked in. It's terrible.
We just ain't what to show you.
Go lean to the side, bro.
Oh, his axle's broken.
No, how'd it break?
His axle's broken.
That tire's not spinning.
Hey, I got money.
Hit gas.
Ow.
Oh my god, bro. Just spinning, bro. We thought the axle was broke because that tire ain't spinning. This is how bad it is. Trash bag done for.
buried. JD's struggling to get up.
I think it's no good. I don't know what to do about this one. No good, Pop.
What do you think?
We'll get it. Back her up. Time for a rope.
Here, let me see.
So what do you think about this? Wait for them to come back with straps.
Yeah.
How bad do you think it is?
Nah, it ain't bad.
You think we're gonna pull it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get it.
All right.
This ain't nothing. You know, average 500.
Step off in there, show them how deep it is. God, doggy.
Foolish. That's not water
Deep.
either. That's all mud.
Heck yeah. It's deep, boys. He's buried and he fell. Well, we getting ready to tow her out. Getting straps hooked up. This ain't good. We'll get them out. Well, we didn't get it recorded, but we got it out. Had to pull it from the front. 850 did its work.
This is why we were so stuck right here. We couldn't go out backwards. Why was that to a straight wall?
Bro, it's like terrible out here, bro. I'm soaking wet, bro. Face off in the camera. Soaking wet. I got water coming off me, bro. There's mud on the camera. Dude. Bro. Oh, you need to get it too? You need to get it too? About to start freezing. Alright, y'all, I had to pick up the camera today because it literally started raining and did not stop. We thought it was gonna snow, but it didn't. And now we had an ice storm out here. It is insane. There ain't nothing but ice up in the trees, branches everywhere. It's stupid. See if there's some holes frozen. We don't know yet, but if there is, definitely try to mess around in the iced up holes. What y'all say, we go hit the holes?
Yeah.
Let's go do it. Y'all, it's so cold out here. Look what I'm wearing. Layers. I got the old snake boots on.
We triple layered out here today.
Triple layered. No, we quadruple layered out here. I'm gonna show y'all the rut. No snow, no nothing. We got ice. We got very little snow. Everything out here has got ice. This is the rut from Hurricane Debbie video. It's crazy. Crazy. We definitely missed. I definitely missed this hole, I ain't gonna lie. It was so flooded. I thought trash bag hole is down, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, it's slick out here.
It's slick. I don't know where we're gonna go. All the holes are daggone dried up. All the holes are dried up. We're gonna take Ethan to the pit bike track to hit some jumps. We need more people out here with a dirt bike. We got a pit bike track out here. We need to build a bigger track. Because when we had the old 110 pitter, dude, it was a stud of a pit bike, bro. But then the old pit bike is broke right now. We'll get it back and running, especially during summer. Made out here to the pit bike track. Dude, I swear it's like, well, -2 degrees out here. Even with these 3 layers on. It's all grown up. All right, y'all, we're gonna end the video off here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We definitely need to get Ethan out here more. And when Trash Bag Colt makes a full recovery, we're definitely gonna get his bike out here. Definitely gonna start filming a lot more. We haven't filmed in 6 months, like I said at the beginning of the video. And that's definitely a problem. What y'all say? We film some more like what, next week?
I mean, I say next week.
Shoot, let's
we got
do it.
opening weekend at Deep Creek.
March 13th. Opening weekend at Deep Creek. We're definitely all excited for it. We're all going to try to head out there and film. Definitely get a big group and go out there and just have a good time and film. But we'll pick y'all up in the next video.